Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, March the 1st, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudokus. Two puzzles remain. The Jigsaw Sudoku we have here with the 4 stars. And the binary. It's a binary time. Yes, binary time. This one will be number 8109. Let me zoom this first. Okay. 8109. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 15 printed digits. Wow. I've noticed that less than 15, then it will be a hard one, binary. We will see. And it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, double one, double one, double one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. And now we need to think. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1 here, no. There, no. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in the second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Then we need to compare, I think. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Overlooked. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. And double O here, 1 there, 1. Finished in 3 minutes. Well. We solved it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.